Today's Brandon's blog is titled Laurentian University Sudbury, Auditor General Ontario, Laurentian University, terribly scathing interim report issued. As the title suggests, last week, the Auditor General of Ontario, who's been attempting to do a deep dive into the Laurentian University insolvency and filing for bankruptcy protection under the Companies Creditors Arrangement Act, issued its interim report. And the report is scathing. The thing that struck Brandon is that as complex an organization as Laurentian University is, the problems identified by the Auditor General could be in any entrepreneurial business. The danger signals and the things that the board of directors and senior administrators of Laurentian did to circumvent financial controls and go deeper and deeper in debt could happen to any company. So in this Brandon's blog, Brandon outlined what the Auditor General reported and why any company, small or large, could fall into the same trap. My name is Ira Smith, president of Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. Both Brandon Smith and myself are available to answer any questions that you may have, either about this Brandon's blog or anything else at all. So shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to speak with you. I hope you can watch until the end of this video because I know you will get value from it. Brandon has written many blogs previously about the Laurentian University bankruptcy protection filing. Matters of importance have come into the news. The Auditor General report recently issued is extremely scathing. So Brandon first goes through a very brief history. He then starts commenting on the Auditor General's interim report findings. What it boils down to, like in many troubled companies that we see, is poor management and management purposely taking steps to circumvent financial controls. So in the case of Laurentian University, they spent more money than they took in. They covered up those losses with debt. They went on expensive capital project expansion programs when they didn't have full financing in place. When the bank cut them off on their long-term debt borrowing that they were using to finance capital expansion programs, they then used short-term financing credit that they had available. And this is a Finance 101 mistake. You don't build long-term projects with mismatched short-term financing. When they couldn't get any more financing, then they raided research grant monies and funds that were dedicated for other purposes and transferred them to the continual operational losses and capital projects they were building out. Ultimately, the music stopped, things caught up with them, and they had no choice but to file for bankruptcy protection. The Auditor General outlined how they had been planning for this for a year. And although they had other options, including coming clean with the provincial government and looking for assistance from the provincial government, rather, they shut out the government and planned for almost a year for filing for bankruptcy protection. These problems are not unique to Laurentian University. These problems are extremely common that we see in all sizes of companies that come to us to help them restructure because of their debt problems. So I hope you can read the entire blog below, because I know you will find it informative. Again, both Brandon Smith and myself are available at any time to answer any questions you may have, either about this Brandon's blog or anything else at all. So shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to hear from you.